Machine is how to use.
Okay.
First 140 for winding bobbin. This is bobbin. Take the bobbin, put there. And first one, this cotton here, put it up. Right.
Yeah.
It comes out.
Okay.
Go like that. I make double because you can put nice inside.
It goes easy.
Yeah, it's easy to how to go inside.
Okay.
And after that, turn like that.
Okay, so you go through the bottom.
And come inside again.
Inside. Okay.
Like that. Make sure it's inside the plate.
It's got to come over the bottom.
Must
there.
be inside. Always must be there inside.
At the bottom here, huh?
Yes.
It's around
Not
the little groove there, yeah.
The little groove.
Around this little groove.
Perfect.
And that groove, yeah.
Okay. That's
Come
easy enough.
straight. Go in the inside bobbin.
Yeah.
Tighten it. You
fill it
put
up.
this one here. Leave it like that.
Yes.
Time you're sewing there is winding here. Then you close himself because it's full.
Oh, that's
After
nice.
empty down there, bobbin finish down there. You take this full one, put under there. You take an empty one, bring it here.
Okay.
This one here to use that. So come to that.
Okay.
Like that. Come like that.
I like how you actually double it up. It makes it so much
Yes,
easier.
because it's inside. That's
Okay.
that's and from here push top like that.
Okay, so very similar to that, but like here you're going from the top,
Yes.
here you're going from the bottom.
Right.
Okay, what I like about this is, so with my home sewing machine, I have to fill that up first. Then you have to like take that, put some of that, put some of that, then you put it inside them. But here I don't have to. I can. It's
No,
basically ready to sew. now
No,
it's
this
going to
one when
stay.
you saw this winding here, you can the small machine, the button here.
Yes.
When you're winding this,
Yes.
never stop.
Yes.
So
exactly.
this one don't stop. So
Okay.
one way. That's
But
why.
if this fills up,
It makes it so fast.
That's
Yeah.
why when you're sewing here, it's
Yes.
get filling here.
okay.
After this one full,
Yes.
it's closing itself.
It closes itself.
Yeah, still using here machine.
Ah.
When bobbin finish inside, you take
Okay.
empty one, bring back here, take this full one, put down again. No need to wait a bobbin finish.
Oh, that's nice.
Use for sewing, you winding bobbin one time. That is how to use this machine.
Lovely. Okay. And it's obviously going to come with a booklet, so I can like look at the different parts and
Yes.
yeah. I'm self-taught. Even my other machine, I've been sewing for 14 years,
Okay.
and I just got it and I just figured it out, and it's never been for a service.
No, bring
But,
it to sort it out for
No,
you.
it's not. It's not. It's a imbecile.
Yes, we sorted it out for
Oh,
you.
you do all machines?
Yes.
Oh, really?
We repair machine, all machine.
Oh, wow. Okay. Wish I should have brought them along today.
Okay, so the threads have obviously all been. You can see.
Right. From there,
Yep.
lift up your needle up.
Yep.
So when you're turning like this, needle going up.
So my needle is the same as like with my other machine. If I'm doing
No,
leather,
it's
I
different.
have to change it.
Yes.
If I'm doing silk, I have
You
to
have to
change it.
change this size by size.
Okay, but it can do any fabric.
Any fabric.
Jeans,
Any fabric.
leather.
Yes. But you change the needle. Maybe you use some stretch material, you have to
Yes.
use size 12.
Yes.
Like you saw in normal material, size 14.
Oh, so you go according to sizes.
Yes. Just material.
Yes.
You're using the 16 or 18.
Okay.
Like you're sewing leather, you
Yes.
can so use 120.
Okay.
120 is big one for leather.
For leather. And do I have to buy these needles from you guys? Or
Yes, we have.
can I buy from my shop?
Any shop you can
Any
get.
shop and it says leather.
Same
That's
thing.
okay. Right.
Same thing.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
From there, go like that.
Okay.
push needle from this one.
You are good,
inside.
hey? You are good.
Alright.
Okay.
Lifting up here.
Same as the home.
Same like home machine. Sometimes can make sleeve like that.
It's exactly the same.
Yeah, same thing.
Goes in the same way.
See. When you sew like this, you have cotton this of it.
Yes.
You put inside, you put two color, same color, it must be same
Yes.
color. Like you use black, have to use black.
Yes.
Use white, have to use two white.
Yes.
Do not use any color, maybe two colors.
No.
Brought some fabric along.
Oh, thanks, Manta.
First
Right.
of all.
Yeah. Okay, nice.
That's-
That is, yeah.
You push it this one here.
Can you see that?
Yeah.
You want
Okay.
your pressure
Look
foot
at that.
must be up.
Don't put your finger.
I won't put my finger
You
there.
can see it,
Oh,
That's
so
fine.
now we're filling it up.
fill it up.
Because we can take that one and put it inside there. Okay.
And do like that. Put it inside here.
Okay.
Round like that. Make sure it must be tight. Don't be loose.
Okay.
Then push it again inside.
Okay.
Right. We use this one now.
Yes,
Put it
okay.
from
So
here.
now we're
This is
going
gonna go into the bottom.
Yes.
Okay, so now I lift this up. Can I do it?
Yes. Slip. Just slip. Like that. They stop again.
Did it stop it?
Yeah, they
Oh,
stop
look at that. So you
again.
don't have to like hold on to
You
it.
see.
Okay, I can see it's well oiled as well.
That one oil, you put oil here.
Yes.
There's oil the box.
Yeah.
When you fill, oil must be here, low press. So when you're sewing, this
Yes.
pump here is pumping oil.
It's going around there.
If going around here, go top, then you can see your oil here top.
Oh, wow.
Because it's getting moving.
So if I'm not seeing oil here, then I must fill
Okay.
it.
Like that, not see oil. Maybe sometimes you drop speed a little bit down.
Yes.
Speed is down. You have to more high speed because pumping must be powerful to pull your oil up top.
Okay, so I have to see oil there, otherwise we've got a problem.
Oil must come here. Like
Okay.
don't see oil here. Sometimes there's pipe inside, maybe broken. You have to bring machine here to check it up, put new pipe,
Okay.
must pump it.
Okay, so I have to see oil. Like, my husband is an engineer.
Okay.
We have a precision engineer workshop.
That's nice.
So yeah, so he's also taking that. He
That's
makes
nice.
these very specific parts.
Yeah.
Maybe he can even come in for your company.
Yeah, that is nice.
Yeah.
We'll be together. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Pull it out, holding here.
Yeah.
And one hand here, bring down.
Yeah.
Then you push your cotton this side.
That's it, yeah.
Close it here.
That's close. And what is this?
Alright. This is guide. In case machine is running fast, you want no
Your finger.
That's
It's a,
eh?
yeah, you gotta,
Yeah.
because that will
Yeah,
jab
that
your
thing
finger
will-
a few
yeah.
million
I
times.
can. Okay, so now we put
Up
it
and
down,
down.
so you can check your seam allowance even.
Yeah.
Is this inches?
Yeah, inches.
Yeah, they always do inches, hey.
But you have to put a guide, like you use that one. There's
Yeah.
marking it guide. You stick it out here.
Yes.
Like, yes. You
I've
have
seen that. Oh,
We
that's
have-
actually very nice. Oh, look at that. Wow, can you see that?
You're gonna see it now.
He's like barely holding it. You can drink tea as well, hey?
Yes.
And then to cut it?
Okay, this is don't have bread. You have to use scissors when you
Okay.
cut it.
Okay, so it doesn't have the little side.
Yes.
The little side cutter.
But the sounding nice.
Nice and quiet.
This is reverse, like you're taking.
Oh yes,
So-
backstitch, yeah.
Yes. We never put the oil in it. When you go home,
Only when you go
you
home.
just go in.
Okay.
Otherwise, it's gonna leak all over the
Oh,
place.
okay, okay. So when I'm at home, I'm going to put the oil and then I'm going to see the oil there.
Yes.
Okay.
yes.
And the speed adjust, is this your speed adjustment over here?
This one here.
Oh, it's on the
Yeah.
thing.
So with mixture plus.
This
So
one.
that's-
Okay,
Let's
so
turn
what
it down.
So what's P?
P for settings, like we need to service something. We're using P. Like,
Oh, it's not for me to touch.
no, not for you. It's
Okay.
for me. This is for me.
That's your job.
This one
for
here,
you. This is
this for me. This one is for you.
yes.
Okay, like you drop it down speed. Example. It's for select speed. Like,
Select speed.
like I do like this.
Yeah.
I never press S. It's still or same speed what I have
As it was before. Only once you press
So,
S, it will change.
Drop down.
Yeah.
This one here,
Yes.
you can see needle. I finished sewing, but still needle is down there.
Yes.
That one for pull your needle up. Time you're sewing, you press it here, then S. So when you run, you see, you can see
The needle is up. Right.
needle is up. When you turn your material, needle on.
Oh, so then I press
You
up
press
and
that
then
button, yeah.
Yeah, press there, then
And then
So now once it, oh, because my other machine, like the home machine, you lift it up like this, then you turn it. Here I press that.
Correct.
And then I
S.
press S.
S is to select, basically.
Then I turn it.
yes.
Then how do I get it down again? Then I go down.
Use this.
And then I just use
When you
that.
switch here,
Yeah.
your leg will be this side.
Oh, look at
When
that.
you
You
open
just
leg,
like,
then
There's
you
a
are,
little lever there that
is
makes it.
this one to you.
then I turn it,
You
then I
can
just do
turn,
that.
then
Drop
drop it,
it. And off I go.
and you go.
Okay. And then what is this?
This one for threading. Sometimes keep it cutting cut. So when you use it,
Yes.
it'll be show you light. Cutting like a cut here, it'll be show you light. You're pressing there. Time you're using there, cutting cut, show you light, then you press it again. Sometimes you use the other cutting not right.
Yes.
You have to press it this one here because your cutting must be right.
Yes.
Yes.
But then I'll have to thread again, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then, so this is just saying my
This-
cotton's not great, help me
Yeah,
out.
yeah. They show you point here like your cotton is not right. You show it here. You can see this.
Oh, is it telling you now that
Same
it's not
thing,
right?
This one is right because we're pressing here.
Okay.
See like that is
Or
out.
it tells you that it's activated. That option is activated.
Okay.
Yes.
So I need to press that to make
Yes,
sure.
yes.
Okay. Is there anything else that it's going to tell me here that
Only speed, and
speed? What is the normal speed? Like, what would you recommend?
you can use 2000 because this machine is 4000 speed. You
Your
can use 2000. 2000
Fast,
is normal, yeah.
2000 is
Still
the normal.
flying.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And then this is
This
the,
one for make your stitch sleeves over small.
Okay.
Yeah.
So okay.
You're going like this.
Yeah.
Last stitch you can small.
Make it small. Does it do zigzag stitch?
No.
No, it just
Only
does straight
straight
stitch.
stitch,
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
Light, when you switch it off, this side here,
Then
switch
it's
it off lights.
And it's an LED light.
Yeah. Like you need to make maybe you can't see nicely, you have to make dim like that.
Okay. Oh, nice. Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
I like the magnetic.
We got magnet
Like
there,
this?
let's check it for you.
Okay. Look at this. Very nice, huh? Can I try? What did he say? No. I'm gonna try quickly. Okay. Okay, so here are all the products that they have. You might actually recognize the oil. I think we all buy the same oil from different shops. So I've just bought a pair of clippers. I can just show you quickly. There, because the machine doesn't have a little side cutter, as the home machine does. But this is 11 Rand. I'm sure we can. Okay, so easy peasy. And then we're going to get the little magnet seam allowance, and let's have a look at all the beautiful threads. Yeah, great service, guys. Okay, so dimensions.
550 millimeters wide
550 millimeters wide,
and 1 point long.
1.2 meters long. Okay, do you need to get the length, or does this drop down? Okay, so if you want it to fit, you can basically take it apart.
You can take the head out,
Yeah.
put it in a box.
Okay.
You can take the cotton stand
Yeah.
out and pull the rest.
Yes, yeah, the whole.
Yeah,
Yes.
take all the out.
Take that out, yeah.
Yeah. And then the tape you can adjust it to go right down.
Okay.
To go right down and then for the side, like, let's say you want to, maybe you are short, you want to sit on the
Yes.
table, you can't reach on top of the table.
Oh, so you can adjust it.
Yeah,
Okay,
you can
guys.
adjust it.
This table is adjustable. So we saw me sitting there and I'm a tall girl.
Yeah.
But I thought I'll have to adjust my seat at home. I don't need to. I can just adjust
You
the.
can adjust it and sit the way
Just-
you want to sit.
I'm going to leave the bucket because it's going to actually help us.
Okay, no problem. I should have brought my holder, sorry. Okay, so we're about to leave. We'll show you how it fits. We can park right outside. There we go. We've got the security guard. He's been there the whole time, and so he's going to assist us as well. And we're going to put this inside. The shop is open right until 4 o'clock each day. The staff are incredible. There's enough staff on hand. I had the privilege of meeting the owner. Wonderful. So yeah, guys, this is the place that you want to buy from. Seriously, anyone in South Africa, you want to be here. Okay, so let me just go. So we're going to obviously
We have to take some
take this, take some of the stuff off. Okay.
How it works.
I can't tell you how excited I am to start sewing with this machine. I feel I'm leaving here feeling confident, and yeah, it looks easy enough to set it up at home. So, and I look forward to making many projects with this, and I'm excited to share it with you guys. So if you're wondering about, should I get an industrial machine, should I stick with my home machine, then follow along and see. And you might even want to start up a little business as well.
So nice.
Okay, there we go. All nice and neat. Time to go.